First one is taxonomic description of gecko. The kingdom is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia, order Squamata, suborder Geckota, family Geckonidae, genus Hemidactylus, and species Hemidactylus frenatus. Geckos are highly adaptable reptiles that can be found in a variety of environments across the globe. The main habitat include tropical and subtropical, regions where warm temperature and high humidity provide ideal conditions. For forest and jungle, which offer plenty of cover, moisture, and insect prey. For desert and arid zone, where certain gecko species have adapted to extreme temperature and dry climates. For urban areas such as houses, office and roads, where they thrive by finding insects and feeding on household insects. The cliff and crevice, which provide shelter and cooler microclimate. For the woodland and cliff, where they can find natural hiding spots and ample food sources. Gecko are found in both natural and man-made climates, showing their amazing ability to survive in diverse habitats.
The characteristics of leopard geckos. First, morphology. Their body structure has a stocky build with a broad head and large eyes. They have movable eyelids, unlike most geckos, helping protect their eyes. Their tail stores fat used as an energy reserve. Skin and texture. Their skin were covered in small, bumpy scales that giving them a rough appearance. Lack of adhesive toe pads, meaning they can't climb smooth surfaces like many geckos. They have variety of morphs affecting color, pattern, and eye shape. Coloration and morph. They were naturally yellow with black spots, resembling a leopard's pattern. The selective breeding has produced morph with diverse colors, albino, melanistic, patternless, and others. They have different eye morphs, including solid black or bright red. Limbs and movement. They have short, sturdy legs with clawed toes for gripping rocky surfaces. They have strong, slow-moving gait adapted for life on the ground. They were capable of regenerating lost tails, though the regrown tail has a different shape. Second, mode of nutrition. Leopard geckos are insectivores, meaning their diet consists exclusively of insects. Primary diet, they feed on live insects such as crickets, mealworms, waxworms, and phoenix worms. Their gut loading, their prey is often fed nutrient-rich food before being given to the gecko, ensuring they receive essential vitamins and minerals. Their supplementation, their owners often dose insects with calcium and vitamin D3 to support bone health. Their water intake, they always drink water from shallow dishes and absorb moisture from their environment. Thus, feeding habits, leopard geckos hunt using their keen eyesight and sense of smell, striking quickly at moving prey. Third, general characteristics. Leopard geckos are nocturnal, which is most active during the nights. They thrive in arid environments, preferring rocky desert habitats. They were known for its docile nature, making it a popular pet. Their natural coloration includes yellow, brown tones with black spots, resembling a leopard's pattern. Lastly, unique characteristics. They lack of toe pads, meaning they cannot climb smooth surfaces like other geckos. They use vocalizations and tail movements for communication, chirping or wagging tail when excited or threatened. Their tail regeneration ability can detach and regrow its tail as a survival mechanism.
Today, I will explain about the life cycle reproduction of leopard gecko. Leopard gecko have their unique reproductive characteristic. That's why gecko have become one of the example or model organism for studying reproductive biology. Geckos do reproduce both sexually and asexually depending on the species. But for our assignment, we choose leopard gecko and they do reproduce sexually. Most geckos have a specific breeding season. The breeding season usually coincide with the rainy season, and during this rainy season, males become more active and start searching for potential mates. Okay, now I will explain the life cycle of reproduction of leopard gecko. For the first one is mating behavior. Usually for the starting, the male gecko will lick or beating the female's neck or body. Apart from that, they also will make a sound or vocalization such as chirping or clicking sound to attract the female gecko. After that, they start the copulation. Copulation is where the male geckos insert his hemipenis into the female's cloaca, and after that fertilization, the sperm will fertilize the egg and the embryo will develop inside the amniotic sac. After that is egg laying. Usually 1 to 2 eggs per clutch, and usually eggs are laid in hidden warm and moist location such as under the rocks, logs, or inside the bark. Some species produce hard shell eggs, while some species also produce shell eggs that have a soft shell. The last one is incubation. Incubation typically take time from 30 to 90 days depending on the species and the temperature of their surrounding.
The importance of leopard geckos to ecosystem. Leopard geckos is helping nature. For the first one is leopard geckos control insect population. Leopard geckos eat many types of insects like beetles, grasshoppers, spiders, and centipedes. This helps to reduce the number of pests in the environment. The second one is become food for other animals. They are eaten by animals like foxes, snakes, owls, and mongoose. This makes them an important part of the food chain, helping other animals to survive. Next, importance of leopard geckos to ecosystem. Leopard geckos also survive in harsh environment. For example, leopard geckos live in hot and dry places like desert and rocky lands. They can survive well by being active at night and hiding underground during the day. This shows how well they are adapted to tough conditions in nature. The last one for importance of leopard geckos to economy. Leopard geckos is used as pet trade. Leopard geckos are one of the most popular reptiles that get as pets around the world. They are friendly, easy to take care of, and do not need a lot of space. Because of this, many people buy them, and this helps the pet industry grow. The second point is scientific research. Most of scientists use leopard geckos to study animal behavior, health, and how reptiles grow. They are easy to keep in labs and do not need too much care. This makes them very useful in research and education.
So let's move to extra information. So do you guys know that gecko has movable eyelid other than most other geckos? They do. Other than that, their tail act as a fat storage and used as a reef during time of food scarcity and also during hibernation period. They also can drop their tail when food threatened. Okay, next, do you guys know that they can shed their skin to prevent scent from being detected, and they also eat their own skin shed? Okay, next is their personality and intelligence. So first, do you guys know that gecko is a shy, bold, curious, and chill creature? Okay, they also learn feeding routine and recognize their keepers by scent and also sound. They also sometimes beg for food by standing out at the glass when hungry. So next, we move to their behavioral cues. So first, we have tail wagging slowly, which shows that they are cautious or focused on prey. And the next one is tail vibrating quickly, which show that they are excited and often happen before mating or hunting, as you guys can see in the video given. The third one is licking, which is exploring or recognizing scents. And last but not least, we have chirping or squeaking, which show that they are stressed, fear, and discomfort. Next, other interesting extra information that we have is their morph. So first, we have albino, which consists of three, which is tramper, bell, and rainwater, as the picture given. Next one is enigma, which they have unique swirl and spots. Third one, we have super snow, which have white with black spots on their body. And the fourth one, we have eclipse, which have solid black eyes. And next one, we have lemon frost, but this one is prone to tumor. Okay, last but not least, we have blizzard, which is solid color and no pattern at all.